how to change the order of songs on Apple Music. So if you're someone that wants to change or rearrange the songs in a playlist on your Apple Music, it's really easy to do. So go to Apple Music, go ahead to playlist, and go and choose the playlist that you want to change the order of the songs in. So I'm just going to choose a playlist here. And what you want to do is go ahead and hit the three dots at the top right hand corner here and go ahead and hit edit. So once you're in this section, what you're going to want to do is focus on the three lines or the three bars at the right of every song. You're going to click and hold and feel a small vibrate. And then you'll be able to just move the songs up and down to any order that you want. That way it's really easy to do. You can go and change them in any order that you want to do. And once you're done, go ahead to the top right corner where it says done. Go ahead and hit done. And your changes have been made. And it's that easy.